Making money while you sleep sounds like a fantasy, but in reality, it is one of the smartest ways to build wealth and financial freedom. This concept is called passive income, and more people are tapping into it today than ever before, unlike a regular job. Where you exchange time for money, passive income allows you to earn money continuously with little to no ongoing effort. Once the system is set up, the great news is you do not need a big investment, a team, or any advanced skills to begin with. Just an internet connection and consistency can open up a new financial path. In this video, we are going to explore the top 5 passive income ideas for beginners. These are ideas that you can start from anywhere. With little to no experience, they are scalable, flexible, and in many cases, completely free to start. If you stay till the end, you will discover a powerful mindset shift that most people miss when they start their passive income journey, and that is what sets apart those who make it from those who give up early. The first idea is selling digital products. This is one of the simplest and most beginner-friendly ways to create passive income. A digital product is anything you can sell online without having to physically ship it. Examples include printable planners, templates, ebooks, checklists, study guides, or even digital art people love. Downloadable content because it is fast, affordable, and easy to access. You only need to create it once, and you can sell it forever. To get started, you can use free design tools like Canva or Google Docs, for example. If you are good at organizing, you can create a weekly planner or a budget tracker if you are a student. You can create a study guide or class notes and upload them to marketplaces like Etsy, Gumroad, or Payhip. These platforms handle the payment and file delivery for you, so you don't have to worry about anything technical. The key is to focus on solving a specific problem for a specific audience. If someone is looking for a resume template and you have a clean, simple one for download that solves a pain point and that equals sales, the more people buy it, the more you earn, and all of this happens without any active effort after your product is live. The second idea is print on demand. This model lets you sell physical products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, or tote bags with your own custom design. The best part, you do not need to buy inventory or handle shipping. The printing company does all of that for you automatically when someone places an order. Websites like Printful, Redbubble, or Teespring allow you to upload your design, choose the product, and list it for sale. Once someone buys it, the site prints, packages, and ships the item, and you earn a portion of the sale. This is a perfect setup for beginners because there are no upfront costs and no risk of losing money on unsold stock. If you think you are not creative enough to design, don't worry. Simple text designs, quotes, memes, or minimalist graphics actually sell very well. For example, a shirt that says coffee first, or a mug with a motivational quote, can reach a wide audience, and once your designs are out there, they can sell for months or even years with zero effort from you. The third passive income idea is affiliate marketing. This model involves promoting someone else's product or service and earning a commission. Whenever someone makes a purchase through your link, this is a great option because you don't need to create your own product store or customer service system. You can sign up for free affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ShareSale, Digistore, 24, or ClickBank. Once you are approved, you can choose a product you personally like or believe in and share it with others. The most effective way to do this is by creating helpful content like product reviews, top 5 videos, tutorials, or how-to guides, and adding your affiliate link in the description or comment. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that once your content starts ranking on search engines or YouTube, it can continue to bring in views, clicks, and commissions even when you are not actively working. For example, a simple video reviewing a coffee maker could earn passive income for months. If people continue to find and watch it and make purchases through your link. The fourth idea is licensing your photos or videos. If you have a smartphone and a decent eye for photography, this one is perfect for you. Every day, thousands of businesses, websites, and content creators search for royalty-free images and videos to use in their work, and you can be the person supplying them. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Alamy allow users to upload their photos and videos and earn money every time someone downloads them. This is called stock content, and it is one of the most passive income streams out there because your files stay online forever and can keep earning even years later. You do not need a professional camera. Smartphone cameras today are more than enough. You can take pictures of nature, street views, food, lifestyle, or technology themes, and upload them with relevant tags and titles. The more you upload, the better your chances of earning consistently from this source. Some contributors have hundreds of files and make hundreds or even thousands of dollars monthly just from downloads. The fifth idea is YouTube automation. This may sound complex, but it is actually a method where you create videos on YouTube without showing your face or even using your own voice, with faceless channels becoming more popular. This model allows beginners to build a passive income stream through monetization, affiliate links, and sponsorships. To get started, choose a profitable niche like personal finance, motivation, self-improvement, or top 5. Videos: write a script just like this one, then use free or low-cost tools to create voiceovers and video clips, for example. You can use text-to-speech tools, royalty-free stock video from websites like Pexels, and free editors like CapCut or Canva once your video is uploaded and optimized for search. YouTube's algorithm starts recommending it to viewers as long as it keeps getting views. You continue earning ad revenue without ever needing to remake the video. Just one well-performing video can bring in passive income for months or even years. Now here is the most important part. The reason most people fail with passive income is not because the method does not work, but because they quit too early. They try something for a few days or weeks, do not see results, and stop. But passive income is like planting a seed. You do the work up front, then you give it time to grow. Here's something most people never tell you. It only takes one good idea, one good video, one good product to change your income completely. Just one digital product could go viral. Just one affiliate video could start bringing in money daily. Just one faceless YouTube channel could grow to thousands of subscribers. The secret is not talent or luck, it is consistency and patience. And here is a surprise: most millionaires do not work more hours than everyone else. They just let their money or their content do the work for them. While they sleep, passive income gives you time to focus on what matters, to build more projects, to take care of your health, to enjoy your family, or to create freedom that a job never could. But you do not need to be a millionaire to feel this freedom. Even a small passive income of $100 or $200 a month can change your life. It can cover your groceries, your internet, bill, your savings, or your side goals. And it all starts with choosing one idea today. Pick one of the 5 ideas, share it, set it up, take your time, and focus on learning and improving. Don't try all at once. Start with what you feel most confident about and build from there. Every successful passive income journey starts small. Subscribe to Fast 5 Pulse for weekly top 5 videos that help you earn more, save more, and grow smarter. Hit the bell icon so you never miss what is next.